example of a bank of machines. This is at an adult school. They are looking for a full line of vending machines because a lot of their people are not able to drive, kind of a captive audience. So we have a coffee machine. Coffee is profitable per cup, often low volume. Here we do about $150 a month in coffee. $1.50 a cup. It's only 100 cups of coffee. But it's worth having the machine here. We have a snack and beverage machine with a mixture of healthy and regular products. The healthy products meeting the California state's requirements for healthy snacks. Next to that, attached to it, we have a cold food machine. Many people recognize this as a frozen food machine produced by AP. We found that these machines have issues as frozen food machines. Compressors freeze up. We bought all the fixes we can for them. We realized if we use them as a cold food machine, that they work just fine. We don't have any issues with them. That is controlled by, this is the master. It's controlled by the master, which is the snack. This is the slave. All the money goes in here, coins and dollars. You make your selections here. These two machines between them are doing over $200 a week. So it's a decent account. This is a Snapple machine that we got from 7-Up. It's a glass front. It's a Dean 5800. Does very well here. Between the four machines, we're doing over $1,000 a month in sales. So we're happy with the location, and it's part of a larger group of schools. So this is the least profitable of them, but certainly worthwhile. And a reason to put this kind of equipment in, a coffee machine or a cold food machine, is you get the whole account or maybe a whole series of accounts that belong to a group because you're willing to offer something that the